How to recover a Discord account without email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Discord account without an email. So in order to recover your account, you'll not be able to do it from the application. So you need to do it from the web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in support.discord.com. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the support center. And on this interface in the top right, you'll be able to see an option as try bar icon. Click on it and then click on submit a request from the drop down menu. Once you click on submit a request, on the other interface you need to type in the request. So for that, you need to click on the search box and then you'll need to click on help and support. Once again, you'll redirect to support center. Now you'll need to submit a request. So for that, first thing you need to do is provide your email address. So you can provide your email address through which they can contact you. So type in the email address, and once you're done typing in, so you'll need to select the type of issue. Since you're unable to recover your accounts, for that you'll need to tap on forgot email or password. In case if you don't have that option, then you can simply click on technical support. If you don't have that option, then you can simply click on other technical issue and you'll need to select the device that you're having issue with. So you can see there are a list of options, so then select it accordingly. And as for the subject, you need to type in account recovery. And once you're done with this, now you need to submit a request. You can type in a description such as I'm unable to recover my account since I don't have an access of my contact info. Once you're done adding a description, you can even add a file. If you have any photos or videos that shows the evidence that you're not able to recover it, so you can simply drag and drop the file right over here and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, as you can see that request has been submitted successfully. All you need to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter or respond to you. And that is how you can recover your Discord account without an email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.